Yo, what's good with the chat, man? Be in here, chat. We got some little games on P-Eye right now. I'm a hodler of P-Eye and Trouble Tokens, man. We're trying to get some games, man. Oh, child. Listen to these. All right, let's look at these games, man. Let's look at these prices. Let me spark up. This is a nice chart right now. It's a nice chart, man. All right, let's look at these charts, man. As you see, Teddy Bear, let's go to the weekly. We're going to the weeklies, man. As you see, Teddy Bear is in this goddamn bullish ass prediction right here. We did a fast recovery. Nice, oh shit. Nice 24-hour recovery, man. Which is bullish as hell. Bull run talk right now. This definitely bull run talk. Had a nice dip off, nice pullback, recovered in the 24 hours, man. That's bullish, if you ask me. Let me plug in real quick. And we still making gains, man. If y'all bought recent dips in the Tropo ecosystem, you should be in profit. It's time to outperform all this shit. I like what we seeing though. We seeing the trouble ecosystem move first once again. Let's look at P-Dye, man. P-Dye is moving. P-Dye moving. Look, P-Dye up 10%. Slow and steady, man. Delayed gratification at its finest. Come on, power to 369. Started to notice too many size 369. Make sure y'all like the stream, man. Hit that like button. Smash the like button, man. Teddy Bear and P-Dye moving. One of my best holdings. Let's look at EHEX. The rotation. Ethereum gonna pump nicely because of us, because we want to get that EHEX. We gonna keep it a bang buck 50,000. EHEX gonna help. PulseChain holders gonna help EHEX and Ethereum. Just like Richard helped Bitcoin with Hex. Same energy this cycle. We helping Ethereum. Sure, I hit that like button. Trying to go to the moon. Yeah. Stack it on my crypto. So yeah, man, we been accumulating, bro. It don't matter if you sold the top or not. You still have to buy back in. I rather shout out to the people that round trip. Y'all the most profitable people that's on a round. Y'all gonna be the most profitable investors. Cause you're gonna know the proper time to get out. You're not gonna round trip thousands and thousands of X's. If anything, you accumulated so much. So when the gains do present themselves, you done had so many bags from the round trip, from stacking all these trips. You gonna be having a comfortability spot of taking profit at any God candle, any taper. Your take profit is gonna be powerful than anybody else that's riding waves and shit. You waited for one wave and one wave only, and then it happened, and you took profit. This is what's bound to happen to holders like me. Yeah, I round trip. Yes, I seen my portfolio go to 5 figures, but it wasn't life-changing gains, which is powerful for my position to become wealthy, because I see the real moves in crypto. I known and hearing and seen real moves in crypto that we haven't seen yet. I didn't see any new price recovery on any tokens like Solana. All these weak ass all-time highs didn't show no real hand, no real strength that we had a bull run. We just early as shit. Clearly, we just early as fuck. That's all I can say. We early as hell. And that's good. I'd rather be early as fuck than late. Ooh, excuse me. Goddamn. I'd rather be early than late to making millions. I'd rather round trip, stacking my bags and accumulating, than actually missing a real move, which is about to happen to a lot of people. They thought the real move was in 2024. I was gonna say 2014. God. But yeah, man, we got prime example holders are about to make money, bro. I don't see us going no lower, man. Let's check out FDIC. FDIC holding 13 zeros, rounding up high. It's not trying to go no lower. Nothing's trying to go lower. If anything, ultimate shakeout in the play. But I don't believe in we're going lower. I feel like we're about to sin. And for us to even have FDIC existing in our ecosystem, we insured already off existing. So even if anybody want to come here and say anything, we can automatically get our FDIC popping to parity. got the green light right now. I feel like we about to approach our bull run. I don't see us running with Ethereum. Yeah, we can see them bottom out and shit like that, but us making gains and actual God candles, I don't see us depending on Ethereum, bro. I don't see us depending on no middleman. So far, so good. We haven't depended on no middleman to make any money. And that's what we need. We need to see Richard. We need to see our bet is on Richard, bro. Our bet is on Richard telling us no middleman. Our bet is on Richard saying we don't need nobody to help us pump shit. Our bet is on Richard, bro, and his word and his knowledge that he been giving us about how crypto's supposed to work. It should be our own alt season. We shouldn't be performing with the rest of the market. If so, they should be following. They should be following us, not us using to follow them and their dominance indicators, Bitcoin is, Ethereum, that all time how it is. We shouldn't be following none of that. We should be going off our own logic, our own system. And if they want to activate the system in a certain time, and that's on them, but we should see a certain flow and a certain rhythm in our system to show that we don't need them. And so far, so good. Seeing PDI move, doing 2 billion plus % without the market, interest rates, this or that. We doing good as fuck without them. We already did. Now we doing is seeing a completion. That's all we waiting on is completion. PDI at $1. Like, that's all we waiting on is completion. We seen us make moves and gains without the system, the traditional system, without the middleman, which is powerful. That's why I'm expecting to see us keep mooning and making gains without them. It's trying to front run. PulseChain front runs the crypto industry, bro. It has to. Just like all these other tokens front ran and had us thinking them gains was it. And it wasn't. It was just all for you to rotate all around and get washed up into thinking it's money over here. And it's not. That's what a lot of y'all fucking up at, thinking we should have made money in other chains. No. Wait on your chain. Show your loyalty. Or take your ass back to work. It's gonna happen. It ain't here for no reason. Now you just money hungry at this point. Yeah, I get it. We all fucked up, but if you can't appreciate what you got now, what's gonna make you think you're gonna appreciate the millions, the exits, and the process of it? Seeing that shit. So you gotta be numb to this shit, bro, and always be bullish, man. Expect what you already know. Richard told you. God candles, thousands of exits. We not here for no 10x. We not here for no measly ass. Oh, let me get this 5x and then rotate. No, we're not here for that, buddy. Oh yeah, that'd be hard. A lot of y'all gonna miss the big run. A lot of y'all gonna miss the big run, bro. I seen BNB make their moves. I seen all these chains do exactly what they wanted to do for you to rotate and mess up your position. Gracefully, we've been in a nice position still within PulseChain ecosystem about these lows, but if you haven't been paying attention, you're gonna miss out on making money like everybody been crying. We have made money. We seen the Tropa make us money within PulseChain ecosystem. You ain't really had to go no other place. You could have made money here, round trip, made money at the top, came back down. You could have took something off the table. I made money to the point I was able to take out money and have a stack still during that run we had. That micro Temu run. That wasn't even a real run. That was Temu shit. That was enough for the Degens, bro. Get their little season and they little hype out the way, make them feel good. They can make them think they doing something whole time they really ain't doing shit, bro. Y'all just a little noise. Y'all just making a little noise. You know what I'm saying? The real move is what's upon us when PDI is $1. And the system's fully online, telling us we got our own fucking financial system. That's the real move. I don't give a fuck about all that other shit y'all talking about. Y'all just did crypto shit. Y'all just did some crypto plays or whatever it may say be, and you made your money. Simple. But we're here for the real reset. It's a reset upon us. It's a real wealth transfer. Like, you thought the 4-year cycles was wealth transfer. Those was just little micro knowledge for you to get the gains you got from this cycle within that pump from 2024. That's all that little knowledge got you. This reset knowledge, oh, nobody's on point. Not the top influencers in crypto. They worried about the next shield. What's the next pump? What's the next this? They're not worried about shilling financial tokens before the pump. That's what we talking about. What's good with J Perry, man? Been a minute, man. We on some weekly shit now till these green candles pick up, man. We ain't stopping streaming. I think about streaming every day. I just spend more time on Twitter. You feel what I'm saying? And then I hit y'all with that weekly 6 to 7 day stream till these green candles start pawning, flourishing. And I ain't got no reason. Now I got a reason to sit in the house. You know what I'm saying? And pop the stream up. So far, we gonna hit the stream once a week, probably more until these green candles kick in. We start making money, so I ain't gotta go out there to make money on. You feel me? What's good with Jared, man? Make sure y'all like the stream, man. I know my views dropped good 20 people. It's alright. Y'all will be back when these green candles come in here, and y'all gonna look back and be like, damn, bro, been streaming every week. You know what I mean? So looky here. P-Dot doing good, man. We just did it. Look, we had a dip yesterday, right? So look, this dip yesterday. I posted, I said, man, it's a nice retrace, bro. We dipped down here to test all this structure. We dipped down there just to get back busy the next day. That's bullish. That's bull talk. When you do a dip like this in 24 hours and you recover it within 24 hours, bullish. Keep up this momentum. We keep this same momentum. I'm telling you, we going to $1 sooner than we think, bro. Uh-oh. I'm gonna say certain tokens waking up. And you know, Teddy Bear is bonded with P-Dot, so we getting gains as we go with P-Dot. As P-Dot get gains, Bear get gains, but P-Dot's moving ahead first. So we look at yesterday, Bear's just now recovering after 24 hours, but that's good. That's showing you that Bear gonna follow. As you see, look, we did our little 24-hour dip. We recovered within the next 24 hours, but what's more ahead? P-Dot more up, you know what I'm saying? P-Dot's a little more above that dip area. You know what I'm saying? If y'all see that, right? Y'all see that, right? P-Dot just a little bit up more. Right here. Bear's like at the exact recovery zone. So that's showing us P-Dot's leading the market in a small percentage. So that lets you know we see a God candle on P-Dot, we're gonna see a God candle on Bear. Simple as that. And I think we would love to see the same moment of time of seeing P-Dot peg and we see Bear do whatever gains it's gonna do. I think P-Dot like how many X's of P-Dot's away? Couple thousand X's. We gonna do some 1,000 X's. We know Bear gonna do that for sure. A lot of millionaires gonna be made on Teddy Bear, and a lot of millionaires gonna be made on P-Dot. Now, if that's the rotation, I wanted the rotation to be from FDIC to, you feel me? That's pretty tough prediction, but it's a logical prediction because the liquidity's thin. You know what I'm saying? But FDIC will go in parity. We just don't know when, but we will see parity on FDIC. We just gotta wait and see what's playing out. So far, we see a threshold on the system. Yeah, we see a P-Dot move and Teddy Bear, Atropa. Yeah, it could be a dead bounce to the upside and just fall somewhere. But we still have to pick up off the data we know now from within past years. What been moving first inside PulseChain ecosystem? Atropa, correct. So that lets you know we need to be paying attention a little bit somewhere over Atropa. Yeah, it could be a little chess move where that could have been just a finesse for us to pay attention to Atropa for the course of the movement. Probably, but no. Logically, Atropa is a banking system. It has banking functions and protocols going on within that chain that sustain itself. So we need to be paying attention to shit like that, which made us do our research. So we started to see this present moment today. A trope is moving once again. That's blockchain don't give a fuck about your feelings, man. If you don't understand that it's moving first, that's on you. I feel like a trope is the blueprint to get cores popping because that's the banking infrastructure. And we're gonna stay put on that, and it's playing out accordingly, and it's making a lot of fucking sense of why we up in profit on Trump more than cores. And I'd rather make sense out of what I'm owning than just randomly sense chasing gains and shit. Cause this chain popping or this token popping for the second. No, I want to chase. I want to know why the fuck I'm chasing this shit. Yeah, I'm watching these markets with y'all, man. We around the corner. They might say we early, but that early shit coming to an end. What if we beginning right now? We ain't early. Can't keep saying early no more. What if we beginning? What if we creating the bottom and shit and the bull run already on after that little 20% bounce from the bottom? I think they be wanting to see that 100x and shit, but then they want to confirm we in the bull run. That's why I keep saying we bullish rate bounce. Cause what if that's the last motherfucking bounce? I was right. Fuck. I've been right for 3 fucking years. I'd rather be early for 3. I'd rather be late in the line for the new best PulseChain Jordans for 3 years, nigga. I've been waiting for these new PulseChain J's to come out, nigga. The new PulseChain J's dropping, and I'm in line, nigga. They say they was dropping in 2025, so I waited in line another year. All right, boom. Now we talking about 2026. I'm still in line waiting for these PulseChain Jordans. These are Tropa Maverick J's. These are Tropa Air 11s. Nigga, I'm waiting. I don't give a fuck. Y'all be waiting on shoes and shit. I could wait 3 years, 4, 5, 6 years on 9 figures, nigga. 8, 7. The hell, I can do that. Y'all do it. Y'all be waiting all these years on Jordans and shit just to wear them, and they don't even make you no money. I'm weak as hell. So yeah, it makes sense out here in these streets. Any peg date predictions? I got a few of them. We pegging this year. Fuck it. We pegging this year, bro. 2027, cores should be running. Fucking come on. Look, it's a stock. It's low key. You see how we looking at that Pierce want to make money map, right? Stock market low key can top out. Gold, all that shit can top out if they want to. But crypto hasn't experienced that. It's playing out like it is, but it ain't. Oh, that's my shit right here, chat. Listen to this beat I cooked up. Damn. It sound like PulseChain. Damn. That bit hit. Well, yeah, back to these games. So yeah, I'm thinking this better be it, bro. Let's zoom out though. Let's look at this weekly. Let's be real. I don't know. This chart already broke trend line. Look. These be busting, Jack. But look, we already climbed up here. Boom. Broke trend. All up in here is critical. You either, boom, go back in trend, which we about to do, and peg, or break this level right here, G. Break this blue line. Break this blue line. We in a bear market. It's official bear market. Boom. And Richard know this. And he don't have charts. He don't do that. Bear market. Simple. That's why we in this little range. It broke trend already, so it has two reasons. Buy or sell. Continue to go to $1 or fucking fail. This chart so fucking bullish. The community strong. The narrative beyond powerful as fuck. We're looking for the peg to $1. Simple. But we already got a critical level, which we already near. We closer to this bottom more than we closer to the top here. Excuse me. So let that know. Fears in the market. So look, we not fearing shit. We betting on our system, bro. We betting on knowing what we on. So look, we not breaking no levels right now. We holding above that level. We look to the left. We holding structure. That's bullish. So we expecting they get it. None less. We're not expecting nothing bearish, man. Don't be bearish right now. Not the time. It's not the time to be bearish, bro. My quality need to be awesome right now, bro. Make sure I like that strength. So yeah, man, I'm expecting a run, bro, because we at a critical level. We break this blue line, it's a wrap. It's selling. It's selling. And that's a doo-doo chart. I'd rather have one ecosystem with a good chart. Shit, that's up to the right only. Then we have one, like PulseChain couldn't do it. So far we could tell. Only way PulseChain can make up for this chart right here is a God candle skyrocketing out this shit. Zoom out. Like this wedge right here, not up to the right. This hockey stick though that I drew out definitely would help a lot in the outcome for it to turn into up only to the right chart. And this gonna be mercifully the best token you gonna, but it's giving you, but this the power in this Atropa shit and PulseChain. PulseChain giving you accumulation areas of godly wealth. But Atropa is rising and making money, accumulation here and there, but it gave you some accumulation. Prices are higher though on certain tokens. So they both a win-win. You get one with the volatility and the gains, but the cons to Atropa is some of the prices are high. You know what I'm saying? But if you do your research, you find some gems, you can break that con bear. For example, PulseChain, the con is we had no volatility to the upside, no gains, just pure down fucking side. But the pro to this shit is you had all these years to accumulate billions. And if you didn't, you're fucked. That's the pro to this shit. You literally had so much time to get in before this big ass hockey stick performed. It's not stopping when it run, bro. None of this shit stopping when it's running. The run on this gonna be so nasty. And if you weren't ready to catch a Atropa running first and then PulseChain, you're gonna be caught off guard as shit. If I was y'all, I already have my bags packed, ready for the rotation, man. That's what I'm focusing on, the rotate. Where's the rotate? I don't want to miss out on a rotate. All right, we got bullish close on bear. PDOT, pay attention to PDOT, man. PDOT showing $1 on Coinbase wallet. You know these big players need to be a part of the new revolutionary shit. They already was a part of the fake peg on Ethereum and BNB side of the stable coins in 2017. You know they're gonna be well prepared for the real peg, which gave them days and months and years to accumulate on PDOT side. All this shit is all mapped out, bro. And if you're late to the fucking script, that's on you. Prices of gas is going up in my location. I don't know about y'all, but gas is going up where I'm living at. So we need some type goddamn relief in this bitch. So usually when the economy go to shit, crypto go up. And let's go look at gold and Bitcoin and Ethereum and them guys real quick. Let's go look at them boys real quick. Cause them boys been showing out. Gold been showing sell pressure to me. Gold been looking like it want to sell out and rotate that money into crypto, which we want to see. You want to see that? All right, let's look at gold first. If it pumping, we might just be in the ultimate fucking bull. But traditionally, I seen gold sell off when people got rich in crypto. So far on the hour chart, this is selling. We ain't. Nah, it's bullish, but it's not. It already broke a trend, but it need to, like it's doing what PDOT doing right now. It's in the trend line. It broke it already. Boom. Look, we draw out this trend line. Broke the trend line. So all up in here is decision making. If it sell, we're going to fuck down. And if it break and continue and eats back up in the trend, we're going up. So we all in critical. Gold's in a critical position, just like PDOT. Let's look at Bitboy, the Bitboy coin, the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, let's zoom out, man. Already been critical as hell. You can bounce. You're not gold. You're digital gold, so you can bounce over here. You're already showing bottoms. Gold already ran up, y'all. Ran for years. Bitcoin, on the other hand, didn't do shit. Not even a full 130% off the 66 all-time high from 2021. Nobody really made shit. You kind of made some shit on gold. Gold ran for a few years, bro. Look at this chart, bro. Gold about to run the fuck down. If I was y'all, I'd be trying to trade to sell, look for a sell position once this shit start cracking sales on a daily and weekly. And you can make a lot of fucking money. Either way, it's gonna be a lot of fucking money getting made. See, look, this shit ran already. This shit's been running, let's say, since 2020. It's been running since 2020. Yeah, March. Yeah, this shit's been running. Yeah, this been running, y'all. This gonna sell out. It got to. It's gonna have to sell out. All right, Ethereum. We need Ethereum doing better than Bitcoin, which I low key been peeping. Ethereum is doing better for real. Like Ethereum got so much room to run. This shit should have been 10,000. Let's just keep it a bang buckery. So yeah, this is a theory. Bullish chart. Looks like PulseChain to me. It look like fucking PDOT. But yeah, we look at this motherfucker to run too. It's bullish trends right now. No trend break. Let me zoom out. Look good enough. Hold on. I can't spot no trend breaks right now. Well, we seeing trend bounces. It's bouncing off this trend line right here, which is bullish as shit. Next stop. Let's just predict this move from right here. And just boom, add it right here. God damn. 91,000 Ethereum. That's possible. I ain't gonna cap a 91,000 Ethereum. Oh, fuck everybody head up. Everybody be happy about this bitch. That's possible. I see a 90K Ethereum. About I could see us hit 30, 20, 20, 20 to 60K Ethereum this cycle. And that shit gonna look good as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. What's good in chat, man? What's good with Gig? JP. So yeah, man, this shit looking good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Charts looking good as hell. We just been early as hell, chat. All these shows, y'all, all the times y'all been showing up to the stream past 2 years. We just been early as fuck. But that's veteran shit. We are official vets now, nigga. Ain't no way. You was a vet. You can't. This ain't. You been through a bear, bull, steroid, bipolar bear, bull. Basically, you been through a bipolar bear, bull. The only thing you ain't experienced is a full bull. You just been. You know what I'm saying? You been a full. You been in a bear before. You been bear markets where you don't make shit for real, like unless you day trading. All right, let's zoom in on a little 15-minute. Let's look at these levels right now. P-Dot broke structure. Whoop. P-Dot's currently going back down. Minor. Let's draw a map out structure, see where we can bounce. Structure right here. See if we can bounce off here and get some movements. But nah, we got we might be in our last days of buying. Cause I ain't gonna lie, we got the big dog investors thrown off. Like people that been in the game for 7, 8 years, they kind of thrown off. They can't even predict the bottom right now. That's bullish to me though. That's good thing about Richard's ecosystem. We haven't seen no major money, so we understand we got a bull run that's supposed to be happening on our hands. But the thing is, these vets and these DJs made money. I can't even lie. I ain't like they just sat in here and didn't make money. A lot of people made money on Pendle. Some OGs I know right now made money. They made millions for it. They made good 2 mil. Most I've seen they made 2 mil. They not finna make the shit we about to make. Yeah, they made money, shit, vacation, and they rich, you know what I'm saying? But they ain't make the gains we waiting for. You understand? They used to that treatment in these charts. They probably not used to the volatility we about to hit. So that volatility was probably very mindful. Like, yeah, I'm used to this type of volatility. I understand this pattern. This pattern not familiar. That's why they all fucking shaking. They don't understand what's going on, chat. So we gotta lock in, man. Quick lock in. Hold on, couple seconds, chat. Hold up.
This a motherfucking cut.
All right, we back in here. A little dip right now. All right, we breaking structure so we can come back to the yellow. We coming back to the yellow line, chat. Retest. So we need to zoom out then. Yup, we broke out the retest. We got a wick. Could reject at this high and keep moving because we already got a big rejection right here. Or markets might not give a fuck and just keep plummeting down. All I know is we got an alt season and PulseChain to fucking wait on. Glory is on the fucking chain right now. If you can't spot it, it's on you. All right. Let's keep it pushing, man. We got these gains. We can do this shit, chat. So yeah, we got nice charts on here. So far, so good. Nice charts. I'm expecting a front run. This is where Richard come out and say, "By the top, you should have been ready. By the top, we ain't waiting on no institutions. We ain't waiting on no interest rates. We ain't waiting on none of that. By the top, you ain't want to get right. See the game trade. You ain't want to see. You ain't see. You already went up 2 billion X on PDI launch, and nobody purchased it. Everybody looked at it like it was a meme coin and shit. Everybody thought PDI was just a meme coin and shit. Nobody purchased it. No, nobody did. That's how they got you. Chess at its finest. All that shit happened at launch. Everything was created, done, perfectly made off launch. Nothing was just launch and then everybody want to make up for other things to finish and create. No. That shit came in handy at launch, bro. All this shit was mapped out, ready to go. Launch. Completion, that's to come. Process already then showed you some shit. So yeah, chat, we're gonna make this stream quick, easy, little hour, man, 40 something minutes, whatever it is. We're gonna just chop it up real quick, man. We're gonna drop in sooner or later, man. Do some long streams, man. We just waiting on these glory to unfold, man. We got time on our hands. Chat by the dip, bro. I don't know what you're doing, man. You need to buy these dips, bro. That shit's gonna save our life for the next 2, 3, 4 years, bro. 2026 about to be the end of this shit. This shit about to be half of the year, almost here, man. Let's get it, man. Sign out, man. We're gonna get back in touch, man, when you see some nice excitement, some nice news, something, bro. So far, good news on this bounce, good news on the community. We lit right here. Let's get it.